They came back right when you finally started feeling okay. That is not a coincidence. There is a documented pattern called hoovering, named after the vacuum cleaner, because they suck you back in. And the timing is not random. It is strategic. Researchers who study coercive control found that narcissists do not monitor the calendar. They monitor supply. When their other sources run dry. When the new relationship fails. When your silence signals they are losing control over you. That is when the message arrives. The apology. The crisis. The I miss you. It feels like they sensed your healing because they did. Your emotional distance registered as a threat to their supply. So they came back. Not because they love you, because they need you to need them again. Now that you know what it is, a supply emergency dressed up as love, you can finally stop mistaking the vacuum for a person.